If you want to save money on your next flight with American Airlines, using promo codes is one of the easiest ways. First, open your browser and go to a trusted promo code website like Don Payful, Cooper, or Mojo Pages. These sites collect all the latest working codes for flights, vacation packages, and hotel bundles. Once you're there, search for American Airlines promo codes, and you'll see a list showing discounts like 50 off vacation packages, 35% off select bookings, or special deals on ski trips and Florida vacations. Copy the code you want to use. Then, go to the American Airlines website, choose your flight or package, and during checkout, paste the promo code in the promo code or discount code field. Some codes are limited to specific packages or travel dates, so double-check the details before confirming. Using these codes can save you hundreds if you combine them with AAdvantage miles or credit card perks. Like, subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments.